play opera. This week, Welsh National Opera are off to the movies. What's that got to do with opera, I hear you say? Well, many pieces of opera and classical music can be heard in lots of famous movies. For instance, the action-packed Mission Impossible features music from the opera Turandot. And do you remember the music from the opera Carmen in season 1? Well, that's featured in the Disney Pixar animated movie Up. And did you know that live orchestras, some even bigger than ours, have recorded especially written compositions to create the amazing music you'll have heard in films like Star Wars, Jurassic Park, Moana, The Lion King, Frozen, and E.T. You might have to ask your parents about that last one. So, to get us in the mood for some serious film watching, we're going to be kicking off with a famous piece called The Sorcerer's Apprentice by French composer Paul Dukas. Although it was written many, many years ago in 1847, it was so popular that it became the soundtrack to the Disney animated film Fantasia, starring Mickey Mouse as the mischievous sorcerer's apprentice. Basically, an assistant who has to do all the work. The music is so vivid, and each section of the orchestra helps tell the story of the apprentice's antics. The opening scene is set with a string section, and the violins help create the sound of the mysterious workshop. The apprentice is busy cleaning his master's workshop. He's tired and overworked, but he discovers a magic spell that will help him get the job done much faster. He miraculously brings his mop and broom to life. The sound of the broom is played on an instrument called the bassoon, and it sounds like this. So, our disobedient apprentice gets the broom to fetch water for him to clean the workshop. But soon the mop and broom get completely out of control, bringing more and more water and flooding the whole workshop. At this point, you'll hear the orchestra playing faster and faster. It's a really tricky piece of music to play, but listen out for the bass clarinet and the bassoon. film score from a very old but very famous movie directed by Alfred Hitchcock. He directed some really popular films like The Birds and North by Northwest, but the one we're going to hear today is so scary you might need to hold on tightly to the sofa or even hide behind it.
It's really not that bad.
But before we do, we are going to meet an actual composer who's worked with our orchestra to make music for film. So you are a composer. What does that mean exactly?
Well, it means that I get paid to write tunes, basically. I think them up in my head, or I'll sit at an instrument and play around with a tune. Sometimes I work with children and we make tunes up together. And then we take the best bits of those tunes and I write them down. And then they're given to a singer to sing, or a group of singers, or a solo instrument, or a whole load of instruments. And then they get played.
Right then, I hope you're ready. So hold on tight. Our amazing players are going to play the eeriest, the scariest music ever written from the 1960s epic Psycho. Watch if you dare. Was by composer Bernard Herrmann. If you're interested in composing for film, why not jump online and look up other famous film composers? One of the most famous composers of all time for film score is John Williams. You may have heard of him. He's written so many pieces of classical music for film. You've probably seen some of them. There's Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, Star Wars, and so many other ones to listen out for. That's all we've got time for today, but come back next week where we will be learning about the amazing opera, The Cunning Little Vixen, which is about a fox and all her friends in the forest. And in time for next week's show, why not make some fox ears and send a picture to this email or tag us on social media #WNO Challenge. See you next week!